Alright, for week 7, numbers 5 and 6, number 5 asks you to find the slope and y-intercept. There's a general equation they call like this, y equals mx plus b. This is called slope-intercept form, because in this form you can figure out what the value is for the slope and what the value is for the y-intercept. So if I give you something like y equals 3x plus 5, well, the representation for slope is always the letter m, and the y-intercept is always letter b. So if you just kind of compare these, if y and equals and the x matches up, all you need to tell me is the slope is 3, the y-intercept is 5, or as an ordered pair, that'd be 0 and 5. Another example is y equals negative 4x minus 2. If I asked you what the slope is and what the y-intercept is, well, slope is always next to the x, so it's negative 4. The y-intercept would be negative 2, or 0, negative 2. Number 6, I believe a couple weeks ago you did the slope formula. M equals y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Or some of you may have used y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. These formulas are slightly different, but not that big of a deal if you switch them. Just matters whatever order pair you use for the y, use that x value on the bottom first. And I'll show you what I mean. Number 6 says calculate the slope. So if I'm going to pick some numbers, 7, 2, and 10, 3. So what's going to happen is I have an x1, I have a y1, I have an x2, and I have a y2. I'm just going to plug it in. I think a lot of you are using this formula, so I'm going to use this one here. So y2 first is 3 minus y1 is 2. x2, so I use this number first on the top, now I need to use the 10 underneath it. 7. So I subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. 10 minus 7 is 3. So if a line contains these 2 points, the slope of that line is positive 1/3. 1/3, that's a 3. Now say I had another example, I had negative 2, 8, and 5, negative 4. Now again, separate example. If a line contains these 2 points, it definitely has a slope. So I'm just going to do y1, x1, y1, x2, y2. Just so I have them there, so I'm just going to plug them in. y2, negative 4, minus y1 is 8. x2 is 5, minus x1 is negative 2. You will have that double negative, so you need to be careful. Negative 4 minus 8 is negative 12. 7 minus negative 2. 2 negatives here cancel each other out, so you do have 7 plus 2. 5 plus 2, which is 7. So watch out for the double negative, and they do cancel each other out if they are right next to each other. And the slope of this one would be negative 7/12. If I could reduce it, I would, but there's nothing to reduce, so I leave it like that.